Hello, fellow teachers! Lab for Physics is the first educational solution created by the Lab for You team. It started with our mission to democratize science, increasing scientific literacy in students around the world. So with Lab for Physics, students and teachers have experimental science classes using smartphones or tablets, thereby encouraging science experimentation inside or outside the classroom. To date, more than 100,000 students and users around the world have used Lab for Physics and have a lab in their pockets. The next great scientist could be living anywhere in the world, including in your classroom. Lab for Physics is a comprehensive solution with three fundamental pillars: the experimental app, the teacher portal with its content and PD, and continuous support with metrics. These three pillars have been developed to work together in order to create a comprehensive classroom experience. This allows us to achieve our ultimate goal to offer long-lasting scientific learning experiences for our students. Bringing this comprehensive experience to your classroom will allow your students to experiment with physics on their own devices, thereby fostering habits related to experimentation and teamwork, and also allowing you to have access to a network of support where you will find everything you need to implement these activities in your classroom. At the end of each month, you will be able to review your students' usage and activities. In the next videos, we will explain in detail each pillar of our comprehensive solution. Thank you, see you next time.